Few decorations say Christmas like a beautiful wreath. Whether hanging on the door, above the mantel, or in a window, wreaths symbolize warmth, welcome, and the joy of the season. From rustic greenery to sparkling glam, there's a wreath style for every home. Let's explore Christmas wreath ideas that make your holiday decor truly shine. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What materials work best for wreaths? Mix evergreens, eucalyptus, pine cones, and berries. Add ribbons, ornaments, or faux snow for texture and a rich, layered holiday look. Materials ready? Like this if your wreath feels full and lush. What about indoor wreath placement? Hang wreaths above mantels, mirrors, or headboards. Smaller ones work beautifully on cabinets or interior doors for subtle festive flair. Indoor styled? Like this if your home feels merry all around. What about a rustic or farmhouse look? Use burlap ribbons, plaid bows, and wooden ornaments. Natural textures make your wreath feel cozy, down to earth, and inviting. Rustic vibe? Like this if your wreath feels warm and homey. How do I personalize my wreath? Add initials, name tags, or small family ornaments. Personal details make it uniquely yours and turn it into a heartfelt seasonal keepsake. Personal touch? Like this if your wreath tells your story. How do I keep wreaths looking fresh? Mist real greenery and avoid direct heat sources. For faux wreaths, store in boxes or hang on garment bags to preserve shape and beauty. Fresh and bright, like this if your wreath stays perfect all season. How do I decorate a traditional Christmas wreath? Stick with red bows, gold ornaments, and pine accents. Add fairy lights for extra sparkle and a glow that welcomes guests with warmth. Classic charm? Like this if your wreath glows with timeless joy. How do I choose the right wreath style? Start with your theme: classic, modern, or natural. A wreath should complement your overall decor while standing out as a statement piece. Style picked? Like this if your wreath reflects your festive spirit. How do I add lights to my wreath? Use battery-operated fairy lights or small LED strands. Weave them gently through the branches for a soft, twinkling holiday glow. Lights added? Like this if your wreath sparkles day and night. Can I use real or faux greenery? Both work beautifully. Real wreaths offer fragrance and authenticity, while faux ones last for years and can be refreshed with new accents. Greenery chosen? Like this if your wreath feels timeless and bright. Can I try a modern wreath design? Yes, go minimalist with metallic rings, frosted branches, or monochrome accents. Clean lines and simplicity bring elegant sophistication. Modern magic? Like this if your wreath feels sleek and stylish. Can I make a DIY wreath at home? Absolutely. Start with a wire or grapevine base. Add greenery, ornaments, or ribbon using hot glue or floral wire for a personal handmade touch. DIY complete? Like this if your wreath shines with your creativity. Can I create non-traditional wreaths? Yes, use fabric, paper, or ornaments instead of greenery. Experiment with shapes like stars or hearts for a creative, playful twist. Unique look? Like this if your wreath stands out with personality. A Christmas wreath is more than decoration. It's a symbol of joy, welcome, and togetherness. From simple evergreens to glamorous creations, each one brings festive cheer to your home. Hang it proudly and let every guest feel the warmth of the season before they even step inside. Inspired by these wreath ideas? Like and check back for more creative Christmas decorating inspiration.